Hi, friends. Today, I want to remind you that every failure you experience actually brings you closer to the success that you desire. I know it's very popular to believe that failure represents an inability to get what we want, or perhaps a sign that the universe doesn't believe we deserve to get what we want. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The truth is that within every failure, there is wisdom, there is gold that we can glean, and experiences that we can have that actually bring us closer to what we want. We just learn from our failures all of the things that we don't want. And we have valuable information that brings us closer and closer and closer to the success we desire. So don't give up. Remember that every failure is an important stepping stone that leads to success. Embrace it, analyze it, bless it, and move on. Have a wonderful day. You deserve it.